Oh yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so in the course of today's teaching, today's tutorial, I will show you how I created this flyer. All right, show you how I created this flyer, and I'll also show you how I turned it into this mockup. So make sure you watch to the end. I'll show you exactly how I turned it into this mockup you're seeing on my screen. All right, with your smartphone, no PC, just your smartphone. So let's jump right into the video. All right, so I'm also going to be advertising to you, marketing to you, selling to you this course. It's a church flyer design course. So get ready to hear a lot about this course and get ready to send me your money so that you can register for this course, because it's going to really benefit you and teach you how to create very awesome flyers with your smartphone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first thing I usually do is, you can see it's mock-up, right? So let's leave it. This is the mock-up. The first thing I usually want to do is to look for, all right, the mock-up and open it. All right, so the first thing I'll do now is to first search for the mock-up and open it. Now the reason why you need to open the mock-up is so that you can know the exact, sorry, not there, the exact size of the images that you're going to be designing, because there are three different sides of this design. All right, so number one, let's go here. So this is a mock-up, right? So we have different posture, different side of it. So we have this one that's landing, this one that's just sitting like this. This one is for this. So this one I'll open here. This one here. You have to be careful so that you know that you're opening the right one. So this is the one I want to open here, this one. So I'm just going to click on it like this. It's going to open for me. Are you hearing me now? It's going to open for me. When it opens, I'm going to click here. That place here. You can see that place I'm clicking there. Then I will double click on, you see front side, you see left side, you see top side. The one that says front side, I will double click on it. Double click on it, and then I will open it. It will open like this for me. When you open like this for me, I'll click on image. I'll click on image size to know the exact size of the image. You can look at the top here. We'll see the width is 1122. The height is 1476. Then you have to come here and you put it. So that's what I did here to get the size. You can see it exactly the size, right? That is that. All right, so let's begin with this so that we don't waste time. So I'm going to start this design afresh. Are you getting me now? I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to start afresh. So the basic thing is church flag design course 10K, and then the things you're going to learn. So I'm going to copy this guy. So that's the most important thing. That's that's much to type. So I'll come here and I'll delete everything. That will start afresh. So just watch me deleting everything now. Right, so I've deleted everything. So we're starting afresh now. So the first thing I want to bring right here is, okay, so let's get the image. That image is going to be, so let's come here, let's get the image. Okay, all right, so let's come, this thing should not disturb me. So I'm going to photo room so I can get the image. No, the image is not here, so let's look for download. I saw this is the image. I saw it on download. This is the image right here, but I want the one that is without background, so that's what I'm looking for. So this is it. This is the first one here. All right, so that's it. This is the image, right? We just increase it and put it there. All right, so we come here. If you are confused, just come here to see what we're doing. We'll come here. Where is it? We'll come here. We'll click on this and get a shape, just a single shape like this. All right. Okay, so we're going to bring in the design we're going to be using for the reference. So let me look for that design right now. We're going to go to screenshot. Screenshots. We'll look for that particular design, which is this one here. All right. We're just going to crop maybe. I wanted the one that will show the Pixellab interface, but let's just hold this one here. I'm going to use this. So this done part, the done part here is going to be just white. Then the other part is going to be this dark color. So we'll get the dark color from this color here. All right. Then we're going to type. We're going to bring in this guy, which we'll use as a background. Where is it? We'll go to this and download this guy, which we're going to use as a background. So we'll just rotate it like this, increase it and fix it there. We'll come here and then we're going to remove this guy. We'll change it, the color to white. Then we'll go here and we'll reduce the opacity so that it fits inside the background. just like you can see here. Just like you can see here, right? Then we'll come here, all right? We'll send this one to the front. All right, so we want to fix that guy now. So we'll come here, we'll click on erase color, and we'll select the green color to remove the green color for us. Then we'll come over here, we'll bring this guy to the front to try to adjust it. All right, we'll rotate it and adjust it properly inside that shape. Then when you're done adjusting it, you want to bring this guy to the front so that it looks like this. All right, then right here we have this guy. So let's bring in this guy here. We're still going to go to pins. All right, we'll go to pins, we get this guy, this shape. Where is it? So let's use this one for the time's sake. So we're just going to remove the white background from it by going to erase color, we'll select white. Then we're going to go to color, I'm going to select this color. All right, so in the design it is yellow. We're going to be using all this. Okay, so let's use this, reduce it and put it there for the amount. Then we'll come here and we'll type all that. We'll type church flyer design course. All right, then so let's look at it. You can see the font that was used is a bold font. All right, so come here, let me see it again. So church, okay, so it's broken church flyer like this. So come here like this. We're going to look for that bold font. I think this one, you can see the name Greater Ross regular. We're going to increase it like this. We'll try to close up the space. All right, so let me begin by telling you some of the things you'll be learning from this particular church flyer design course. It's a course that you don't want to miss. Number one of the things you'll be learning, sometimes you begin to ask me, sir, how do you create your design? How do you even get your resources? Where do you get your resources? Because we have searched all the internet, we have not seen that particular resources. Well, in this church flyer design course, I'll be teaching you exactly how I get my resources. Yes, you will learn how I get my resources. You will not be confused anymore on how to get any kind of resources, because this course you're going to learn exactly how to get any kind of resources. In fact, all those koinonia resources that you see, and then you are saying, oh, these people, they're getting their resources from the realm of the spirit. Oh, they don't get resources from the realm of the spirit. They get their resources by doing some research. They have some particular website where you go and you get those resources. All you need to do is to know what you want, then use the right keywords. All right, so in this course I'll be showing you how to get the right keyword, how to know the right keywords to use for your designs, for your resources, to search for your resources, and you'll be able to get any kind of resource that you want, any kind of resource. Even if the one that you feel that it is so impossible to get, sorry, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. I'll show you exactly how to get it. You will not need to struggle again getting resources. I will show you exactly how you can get those resources. Not just that, in this course, you're going to learn the principles of flyer design, particularly church flyer designs. You'll learn the principles of designing very awesome church flyers. Now, that principle can be applied to any kind of flyers actually, because some kind of principles are actually generic. So church flyer designs, the kind of principle I'm going to teach you, they are generic principle. All right, you'll be learning how to do that. Okay, not just that, you'll be learning the business of the skill. So I'm not just going to teach you how to design this, how to design that, because sometimes you just learn how to design, but what is the meaning, or what's the reason for learning? What's the reason for you paying your money to me to learn without you making money from it? So if you're not going to make money for it from this key, why are you learning it? So I will teach you, as someone who have made lots of money doing church flyer designs, I am going to teach you exactly how to price your service, how to charge for your service. Because some of you don't know how to charge for your services. You don't know how to deal with clients. You don't know how to communicate with clients. You don't know how to you don't know how to do business when you have to do it this skill. All right, you don't know what to do. So sometimes you are very skillful, but you are broke. All right, you are skillful, but you are broke. You know that there's this word they used to say that Esther was broke and black and broke, something like that. So Esther was black and broke. Esther see money, establish. No, sometimes you are just black and broke because you don't know the business of your skill. And that is why I'm going to be teaching this course in just 30 days. I'm teaching you how to understand the business of graphic design, how to learn and how to earn, how to learn and how to earn while you are learning. Because it's not enough to learn, you need to earn. Because some people are very good in learning. They understand all the things, all the principles. They understand how to get everything. But the only problem is that they don't know how to do business. The skill is very great. But if you don't know how to make money with your skill, you are going to be poor. You're going to be broke. And that's why I'm going to be teaching you in this course how to make money with your graphic design skill. So let's say you have the skill already and you want additional bonus, something that is going to make you more profitable. So that's why you want to learn the business of the skill. The business of graphic design is going to help you understand how to charge for your services, right? Nobody will just come and be shitting you anyhow. No, no, no. You will learn how to charge. All right. Not just that, you're going to be learning in this course layouts, how to know the right size to use for your design. All right. How to design and know which size to use. Is it left? Is it right? Is it portrait? Is it landscape? All right. You will learn layout and composition proper. All right. How to know all these sizes, you will learn them from me. Are you getting me now? All right, so that's not all. You will also learn how to print, how to prepare your design for print. Because some people are like, the phone, the design is just done on phone. Can it be printed? Well, it can be printed because you're going to be learning in this course how to print your smartphone graphic design. I will teach you personally how you can print your smartphone graphic design. You see, you can print any size of design with your smartphone. Okay, nobody told you that. You can print it very, very well. Whether it's 50 feet, whether it's 40 feet, whether it's 20 feet, whether it's 10 feet, you can print it. All right, you can print it very, very well. I'm not joking. You can print it very, very well. And how do I know that? Because I have done it. All right, I have printed designs 20 feet. I've printed designs 40 feet. I've printed design 10 feet and even more. So I'll be teaching you that in this course. All right. So ensure that you register. Ensure that you register. Not just that, you will also join a community of church flyer designers. Yes, you will join a community of church flyer designers. That is to say, you will be getting free resources from me. I will teach you how to use AI to get your design resources. Not just that, I'll teach you how to use AI to make your design come out very, very quick and fast. All right. So this is it. So I'm done with the design. Now, when you're done with the design like this, you can see everything is set. So look at it very well. You can see, if you notice that there are some lighting effects around the design. So I'm going to bring in that guy now. So I'm going to bring in this lighting effect. So you can use AI to do your design. All right. But I'll teach you how to do that. I'll teach you how to use AI. So some persons criticize AI a lot. Why? Because they feel that AI will make you lazy, or AI is going to take your job, or AI, in fact, they have a personal issue with AI. But let me tell you, I'm going to teach you how to use AI the right way so that AI will not steal your brain. AI will not make you lazy. Rather, with AI, you're going to understand the business very, very well. With AI, I'm going to teach you how to make money. I'll teach you how to craft your own invoice, how to send your invoice to your client. So sometimes a client come to you and they want an invoice. You don't know how to go about it. I will give you a template and I will teach you how to generate your own invoice for your business. Not just that, you're going to also learn. I'll give you a tool. All right. I'm going to give you a tool that you can use to send client receipt and invoice in a professional way. So when the client makes an order, like, okay, I want a flyer design. Instead of you to just say, okay, the flyer design is going to cost 10. No, I'll teach you how to give them a proper service, a proper price. All right. And how to send them a receipt for your business. So I'm done with the design. When you are done, just go ahead and save. Make sure that it's the same size with that guy. This is the size, okay? Make sure that it's the same size with that guy. So I'm going to save it now. I'm saving it now. So for the purpose of time, I'm not going to do the top and the bottom. Sorry, the top and the side. I've already done this. I'm going to show you now. So let's go. So remember that this mockup has, what is it? This mockup has a top. Look at the top here. It has a top. It's in the top. Then it has a side. All right. So we're going to do the top and the side also. All right. So I've already done that. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to show you. This is the top. So you're going to use this size. Take note of the size. I'll put it in the comment. You're going to use this size for the top. Then you're going to, let me save that one. Let me save the top. This is the top. This is the top. Then, oh yeah, be fast now. So that's the top. Then we're going to use this side for the size. I'm going to put a link in the comment. So design it like this. You can see how I designed it. Design it like this. Then I'm going to save it right now. So when you are done with your design, you have saved the front, the side, and the top. You now go to the website. All right. So let's open it. Let's see whether it's still open. Jesus. What kind of many thumbnails is this one? So this is it. This is it. Okay. So we're going to come here. We're going to go back to the original. We're going to double click here. No, we already open this one now. So we just come here, file, and we'll open it. This is the front. We'll click open and place. So we have opened the first page now. That's the front. So we want to place the design that's supposed to be there. So I'm just going to go to recent and I'm going to select I'll go to recent. Go to recent. It's not working. All right, I'm going to select this one I just saved, the front here. So it's going to mount inside because it is the original size you used. So it will mount, it will fit. Then you just click on file, click on save smart object. Save smart object. It will now say smart object updated. You come back to the here. I see now. Come back to that place. You see that the front will be updated like this. So let's go to the top now. For the top, we look at this place that I wrote top here. We'll double click it. Double click it. I'm saying it now. Be doing it to look at it. That place that I wrote top. That's this thing there. We just double click on it like this. Bang, bang. It will open for you. Then you click on this and you click on open and place. Then the top that you have saved now. I think this is it. This is the top. The top that you have saved, you just mount it. There's a problem now. There's a problem now. So the reason why there's a problem is because you can see that okay, this one is working. This was working, or this one not working. Okay, see it has opened. I've placed it. Come here and click on Save Smart Object. So you come back to here, you see that it has been updated. The top has been updated. All right, you can see. Let's go. Let's check it. You can see the top has been updated. So let's go back to here. Let's double click on the side now, left side. This left side. Click here. Just click on Open and Place and place it, which is this one. So know how you save your design. So you can see it has been placed. You come here, click on Save Smart Object. It will say Smart Object Updated. You come here, look at the software box. Everything now has been updated. It's loading. You can see everything has been updated. All right. All right. You can see. So if you want to save it, you just click on File, Export As. You save as PNG. When you save as PNG, it will take you to another page where they will ask you. You just click on Save here. It will save directly to your phone. All right. So I want it to load now. It's loading. It will save. Now, if you want to, let's say, look at it now. Like you see, I've downloaded it. I'll show you now. Look at it. Open it. You see it. Look at it. It has been saved. Are you seeing it? You can see how it is. Everything sharp. But let's say you don't want the background to come with it. You want to remove the background. All you need to do is to come here and you'll see that place. Go scroll down where they wrote background. All right. That eye that is close to the background. This eye here that is close to that background. You just click on it. It will remove the background for you. All right, to remove the background for you. Then there are some other things that you have there, like this background color. You want to remove it, you remove it. All right. Then there's other things you see. You can see now to remove the background. There's other things you see there. You can say, okay, I want to remove this contrast. Okay, you can say I want to remove the light. Okay, you can say I want to remove the top or anything you want to remove. All right. You can say, okay, I don't want this shadow. All right. All right. You can see that now. So you can adjust it the way you want, and then you can resave. I hope you understand. If you like, if you like, comment. But please, I want you to understand it and I want you to get it very well. Please like this video, share with a friend, and don't miss out on this course at all. Please don't miss out. I'm going to drop a link in the description where you can register for the church flyer design course. Look at the things that you're going to be learning. Look at the things you're going to be learning. You're going to be learning how to design flyers, the principle of flyer design. I will teach you psychology of colors, how to understand the right color. Because sometimes you ask yourself, which color should I use? Should I use blue? Should I use red? Should I use pink? I will teach you how to know the right color to use. You will learn the understanding layout. You will learn how to use AI for your design. You learn how to print your smartphone design, whether it's 50 feet. Some people don't believe, of course, but go and check my video on YouTube. You'll see a banner thumbnail where I designed a 50 by 6 feet banner with my smartphone and I printed it and it came out very sharp. Very, very sharp. All right. I will teach you how to create magical backgrounds. So instead of you to go and be downloading background, you can create your own backgrounds. In this video now, I just created my own background, a texture background. All right. I'm going to show you how to source for any kind of resources. I'll show you how to get inspiration for your designs. Every time you will always get inspiration. There will not be anything like I don't know what to design. I don't know how to design it. Then I'll give you inspiration bundle where you can be drawing inspiration from. Okay. Every time you want to design, you go to that bundle, you will look at it, you will draw inspiration from there. I will teach you how to monetize this skill so that you can make a lot of money from designing with your smartphone. I'll teach you how to price your design services and I'll teach you how to deal and talk with clients. All right. I'll teach you how to acquire clients because sometimes you've learned the skill, but you don't know how to get clients. I'll teach you how to acquire clients. Two ways: how clients can come to you and how you can go to clients. I will teach you how to make your first 500K with this skill. I'll teach you how to export your design with the right size. I'll teach you how to convert your design to any size, including PSD, and send to your client. In other words, I'll teach you how to convert your design to Photoshop file and send to your client. I'll teach you how to convert your design to SVG, different format, and send to your client. If you know this interests you, please click the first link in the comment and register for the course now. If you like, you can send me a message on WhatsApp 081 366 50244. But there will not be any need for that. All you need to do, just click the link in the description, pay for the course. After you have paid for the course, send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll also drop a WhatsApp link in the description. After you pay, just send me a screenshot and you'll be added to the course. Please register now. 10,000 naira is a discount price. The next price is going to be 20,000 naira. And I will see you when I will see you. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. like, and subscribe.